What's up, everybody? Welcome to CoinFlow TV. Sorry about all the background noise. I'm actually on the road right now driving. I just wanted to do a quick introduction video to my review video. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoingoldmine.net or Bitgoldmine.net, something like that. I'm sorry about that. We'll show you the website when we get into the video, but it's a not new, but it's been up for about 200 and something days. It's basically a cloud mining site that has a pretty large high rate of return. So I'm gonna check it out and be your guinea pig on it, sign up for free, and then I'll monitor it day by day, give you guys my updates, whether or not I'm making money. Just kind of put it out there and figure out what it's about. I did a little bit of research on the site online, couldn't find much on YouTube, so that's why I decided to put it on here. By the way, this is my new channel, very new to YouTube, very new to the cryptocurrency world, so just bear with me till I get some things right, some things looking a little bit more professional. But hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button. I got a lot of good videos coming, a lot of different segments, a lot of things I want to talk about. That's about it. Enjoy the video, guys.
Zombie apocalypse.
All right, everybody, what's up? My name is Rob, and welcome to CoinFlow TV. Today, we're going to be going over a couple things here. Excuse me. I'm actually just getting over a cold, so actually just bear with me for a little bit here. And also, if the sound's not too good, if the mic doesn't sound too well, it's gonna be a couple weeks. I am working on a couple things. We're planning on taking off quite a bit with this new channel here, and hoping that we can bring you guys some good information, some truth behind a lot of stuff. I do have a segment that's going to be coming up. It's called A Real Deal with Rob, and a big part of that segment is going to be basically showing you the investments that I am personally making on Bitcoin and other types of cryptocurrency. So you can kind of just follow me, as I go with this thing. I'm pretty new to the whole cryptocurrency exchange and trading and investing and that kind of stuff. So, I just want to give the average person who's now getting into it the ability as well to see, any mistakes that I make along the way, any money that I make along the way, any money that I lose along the way, anything like that. That's going to be in my other segment on the same channel, CoinFlow TV. It's going to be called The Real Deal with Rob. So look out for that coming real soon. But tonight, we're going to talk about, and I say tonight because it is 11:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's November 8th, 2017. I've been watching this particular website all day. It's called the Bitgoldmine.net. Bitgoldmine.net. Now, I saw a commercial pop up on my news feed or my timeline on Facebook, and it kind of caught my attention. Very similar to a lot of the other stuff that's coming out right now or that's been out, like Laser Online, BitConnect, ways that you can turn your Bitcoin into more money, basically. And I'm willing to give this one a shot, and I'll tell you why here in a few seconds. Before we get started on that, let's take a look at the CoinMarketCap website. Like I said, guys, just bear with me. This is my first YouTube video ever. I am a little bit nervous on this, but as time progresses, I'm pretty sure I'll get a little bit better. Positive feedback, constructive criticism, all that kind of stuff is definitely welcome on my site. So feel free to drop a comment, subscribe to my channel. Like I said, it's only going to make me better and make me put out more good videos for you guys. So let's take a good look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at 73.4490 right now. You can see the market cap on that's right at 122 billion. Actually saw Bitcoin go up to about 7,800 earlier today, right before they announced that they were going to put the SegWit 2x hard fork on pause, and then I saw it drop to about 7,200, and I figured it would correct somewhere around here. You look at all the other altcoins, they're all doing pretty good. Neo's up 18%, Dash is up 10% today, Monero's up 13%. This one here, I haven't looked into much. IOTA's up 25%. Another one that I've invested in, and it's going through a little bit of trouble right now. It's kind of dropping back. Yesterday it was down to about, it was up to about number 25 on the chart here. is Electronium. They're at number 28, still holding strong at about 4 cents a coin. Wallets still have not been released on Electronium. I'll do another episode here, and we'll talk a little bit about Electronium. What they're going through right now is basically trying to ramp up their security measures. So they got a bunch of people involved in that. They haven't released wallets. They're afraid that if they do, that their infrastructure is not strong enough, and a lot of user wallets will be hacked. So, for someone like me that purchased Electronium and was planning to hold for a while anyway, it doesn't really bother me as long as they eventually open up the wallets and release them. So hopefully within a couple weeks here, we'll see the wallets open up and we'll see what that price goes up to. I don't plan on making $1 million off of Electronium. Frankly, I didn't purchase a lot of it, but I purchased enough to get a good return in the event that this coin does go up to even, $2 or $3. So I'm going to hold out for a while. It doesn't bother me. Like I said, I would like them to go ahead and, get their stuff straight. I'm scrolling up and down on this page so you can take a look. Like I said, today's November 8, 2017. Time is now 11:32. Hopefully 2 to 3 years from now, where you're someone, new in the business is looking at this video and is able to see what these coins are at. All right, so let's go back to this website here real quick. It's called bitgoldmine.net. So basically what this website is it's a cloud mining site, essentially. I don't know how they do it, what they got going on, but they've got some crazy sick returns on here. And the reason why I'm willing to give it a shot is because they allow you to start mining without investing. So they say version 1.0 is free. Your profit per minute is about 10 Satoshis, and your profit per day is about 0.00015 Bitcoin. Now, if we pull up our calculator here, we go back to coin market cap. We see that Bitcoin's at 73.44 currently. So if we do the calculation on that, let's go back to this website real quick. I'm sorry about that. 73.44. Multiply that by 0.00015 Bitcoin. You're making about $1.10 per day. Now that's free money. And supposedly how they do this, they ask you for your Bitcoin address, and they deposit that money into your Bitcoin address on a daily basis. Once again, this is the free version. Now, before we do that, because that's honestly how I'd like to start out, and if you take a look, I've got the the blockchain.info website pulled up here where you can get a free Bitcoin wallet. I've never set up a wallet with them before because, as you can see, I use some other wallets, So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'll do a quick tutorial on how to set up a wallet with them. And that way you can use that wallet for anything that you're doing, as well as this site here. I'm going to show you what happens if you hit start mining. It says Bitcoin address is invalid. Enter correct wallet address or create a new Bitcoin address. And you see that's a link. So when you hit that link, they actually take you to the blockchain website, and you can get started on clicking the, putting in your email address and all that good stuff, and setting up a blockchain wallet. Then we're going to come back and we're going to put it in here and see what happens. So once I'm done with that, obviously the video's over because it's not going to just, money's not just going to go flowing through that wallet right away. So I'll do a recap in about a day or so and let you know what my results are on that. Before I do that, right, and obviously now this site, just like any one of these, these sites that, people, I hear a lot of people referring to them as Ponzi schemes, pyramid schemes, multi-level marketing, scams, whatever, this and that. I know a lot of people coming into the business that are doing investing see this stuff and they're curious about it. So listen, I don't mind being a guinea pig on any of this stuff. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional investor or anything like that. So, don't take my advice. The only reason I set up this channel, the only reason I'm doing this stuff is to kind of show you, like I said, as I go, if I make money, if I lose money, if one of these sites end up disappearing or anything like that. So once again, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm new to the whole cryptocurrency thing. I'm not a professional investor or anything like that. Always invest what you can afford to lose, because there's a big, big chance. This stuff is high risk, man. So there's a big chance that you can lose everything that you put into this. So don't ever invest more than you can afford to lose. All right, guys. All right, so let's go take a look down here real quick. So if you do the free version like I'm going to do and things work out and you see you're making a little bit of money, then obviously you're going to want to go ahead and maybe buy into one of these premium accounts that they have. So you can see version 1.1. You can earn rate times 11. So basically that's 110 Satoshi per minute, 0.0016 Bitcoin per day. So once again, we're going to go back to Bitcoin's value at 73.44, and we're going to multiply that by 0.0016 Bitcoin per day. That's a total of about $11.75. All right. Now it says buy for 0.005 Bitcoin. So let's see what that's worth. So it's going to cost you about $36.72 to buy this package right here. Your affiliate bonus is 30%, so you can start your own team. If I do end up putting some money into this, if I see some money in that in my Bitcoin wallet tomorrow, and I do put some money into this thing, and monitor it for a couple of days, I will put a few links. I will put the link for this under my next video, as well as my link for some of my other investment platforms that I put some money into. So, look out for that. So roughly this program right here will cost you about $36.72. You'll make about $11 a day back. That's what they're saying. Don't know yet. I haven't verified that. Now we're going on to version 1.2. This one's got 10% off. Affiliate bonus on this one is 40%. Earn rate is multiplied by 69. So that's 690 Satoshis per minute, and you're earning 0.01 Bitcoin per day. The cost on that is going to be 0.025 Bitcoin. So we're going to go to 73.44. Once again, that's multiplied at today's value, or the current value, because Bitcoin's been up and down all day, 0.025. So $183, I guess, is an initial setup fee, or however they charge this, will earn you $73.44 per day. Now that seems like a heck of a lot, because you're getting back your initial investments in a little bit less than 3 days. So if that works out, and I'm going to show you something here real quick up on the top. If that works out, then it's a phenomenal deal. Obviously, like I said, I wouldn't throw a ton of money into this stuff until verifying for yourself first. Let's look at version 1.3. So version 1.3 is a 350 time return or earning rate, 3,500 Satoshi per minute. And the price on that is, the price, what you get back per day is 0.05 Bitcoin. So again, at today's value, 73.44 times 0.05, you're looking at $367 per day. And that's a heck of a lot of money, $367 per day. And your initial investment is going to be about $918. So we're talking about making back our money in 3 days, pretty much on these two programs. But I mean, that's a lot of money. Now we're going to look at this other one here. The last one is going to be version 1.4. You see they're doing 30% off. Affiliate bonus on this is 60%. 73.44. This one's multiplied at 1736. That's what the earning rate on it is. And you get 17,360 Satoshis per minute. On a daily basis, you're making $1,836. To buy into that one, you're looking at about a half a Bitcoin, which is $3,672. This is a little scary. So like I said, man, do not invest more than you can afford to lose in this thing. I am going to test it out. I'm going to test out the free Bitcoin. Well, not the free Bitcoin, but the free version. And I'm going to start mining here. And like I said, I'll do a follow-up video in about a day or so. Obviously, they're asking for your Bitcoin address. So once you plug in that Bitcoin address and money starts going in there, you're getting paid. So that's verifiable right there. So let's go back to the blockchain.info. We'll go ahead and set up a free wallet here. Now I'm going to pause the video real quick because, like I said, this is the first time I'm doing this. I'll try to walk you through how to do it. I'm just going to kind of block out my email address and all that stuff, okay? So take a look at this screen. This is what your screen's going to look like. When I come back, I'll show you what the next screen looks like. All right, guys, we're back. I went ahead and signed up, put in all my personal login information, and we get the screen here. This is the next screen that you should see. Welcome. Thank you for joining over 17 million blockchain wallet users. Our wallet makes transacting easy and intuitive and is helping to create a fair, accessible, and open financial future. Visit our security center, blah, 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 blah. So we're going to go ahead and click Get Started. Shows you the price of Bitcoin right now, shows you my balances. Obviously, I don't have any money in this wallet. So, this is my first time using this site. It's a little tough, so I'm going to try to maneuver around. But I want to go ahead and get my my Bitcoin wallet address. So, I think I'm going to hit request here, right? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get my Bitcoin wallet address. We're going to go ahead and hit the request button. As you can see, you got a QR code here that you can copy, or you can copy the Bitcoin address. So we'll just go ahead and hit copy on there. We'll go over here. We'll paste it. Now they've got our Bitcoin address. Now, one thing that I like to do anytime I put my address anywhere, whether I'm transferring money between exchanges or from a wallet to a wallet or whatever I'm doing, I like to verify to make sure that the wallet address is correct. So usually what I do is I check the last four and the first four. So looking at this here, 14. All right, everything looks good. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. And wallet address is in there. We're going to go ahead and click Start Mining. Let's see what they ask us for next. All right. Now, I don't know exactly how this works. It says balance. And it looks like we're up to 5 Satoshis so far. I don't know why it's asking me to log out. I never logged in, but we'll see what happens there. This is the other thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. I've been monitoring this all day. So it says the Bit Goldmine members already received 1,403 Bitcoins since launch 253 days ago, updated every 30 minutes. Now, I've been looking at this all day just because, I wanted to see if the number just stayed the same the entire time, and it hasn't. It's actually been changing. It's actually been going up. So that just goes to show something for the, whether or not they're doing anything. I'm not sure whether or not those numbers are true. I'm not sure as well. There is, I don't know if you click on this here, it takes you to a link where it shows you latest payouts, and you can kind of verify these on the blockchain website as well. So that's pretty cool that they're showing people that, that they're showing that people are getting paid out. They're also showing what version these folks are on. So you see this guy right here is on version 4, version 1, version 3, version 2, and so on and so on. So let's go back to that miner. Let's go back to that miner page there, and we'll take a look at what's going on. We'll watch this for a little bit. I'll cut the video, try to figure out some more things. I never created an account for them, so we'll see how this works. Maybe when I go to hit withdraw, I'll let it run for a little bit, turn it off, come back, and see what happens to it, all right? So that'll be it for tonight's show, guys. I hope I helped you out with this. Like I said, this thing popped up on my news feed on Facebook, thebitgoldmine.net. I watched a video on it. Seemed interesting. Wanted to try it out for